Etsy's hiding something. Real architectural blueprints, modern barndominiums, rustic cabins, full farmhouse plans. Under $100. Some include free CAD files. I tracked down the 12 best small builds. By Plan 7, you'll see why architects are nervous. Here's the thing nobody tells you about building small. The hardest part isn't the lumber, the labor, or even the land. It's finding a plan that actually fits how you want to live without forcing you to drop $5,000 on a custom architect. So I went deep into Etsy, dug past the printable wall art and the dog bandanas, and pulled together 12 of the best small modern barndominium, cabin, and farmhouse plans currently sold on the platform. I'm walking through them from smallest to largest, so by the end, you'll know exactly which footprint fits your land, your budget, and your vibe. Let's start tiny. Plan 1, the Iris, 16 feet by 20 feet, lofted tiny. We're kicking things off with the smallest plan on the list, and honestly, it's the one I keep coming back to. The Iris is a 320 square foot lofted tiny home, designed by Tiny Living Designs, and the full built-up footprint with the patio comes in at 24 by 28 feet. You get one lofted bedroom, one bathroom, an open kitchen and living area, and a concrete slab foundation as standard. The estimated construction costs sits around $36,400, which makes this a legitimately attainable backyard ADU, hunting cabin, or starter build. The download includes over 20 sheets, full 3D renderings, framing plans, foundation, electrical, plumbing, a material list, and a CAD file for modifications. It's small, but it's not toy small. It's, I could live here and not lose my mind, small.
Plan 2, 20 feet by 30 feet, 2-bedroom barndominium.
Next up, we double the footprint. This 600 square foot barndominium from Tiny House Plans squeezes 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and an open concept living and kitchen area into a 20 by 30 frame. What I like here is the construction style. It's geared toward DIY builders with a step-by-step wooden frame plan, material and cutting lists, and 3D step-by-step images that walk you through assembly. You're getting a 56-page PDF with both metric and imperial measurements, ground floor layout, elevations, sections, plumbing, electrical, kitchen elevation, and even a 98-second 3D animation walkthrough. It's the kind of plan that makes you feel like you might actually be able to swing a hammer this weekend. Not promising you can, just saying it makes you feel like you could.
Plan 3, 25 feet by 40 feet rustic cabin.
Now we step into rustic territory. The TH009 from Tiny House Studio is a 25 by 40 foot modern rustic cabin with 1 bedroom, 1.5 baths, and 893 square feet of interior space. But here's the kicker. It's wrapped in 716 square feet of covered patio, bringing the total building footprint to 1,609 square feet. That's a lot of porch. It's framed with conventional wood framing, sits on a slab or crawl space foundation, and the estimated build cost is around $68,000. The download includes over 20 sheets covering 3D renderings, floor plans, elevations, foundation, electrical, plumbing, mechanical, wall sections, and a CAD file. The vaulted ceiling and floor-to-ceiling exterior porch make it feel way bigger than the square footage suggests. Perfect for a short-term rental or a quiet country build.
Plan 4, 36 feet by 28 feet, modern farmhouse cottage.
If you want farmhouse charm and a tight footprint, this one's your friend. Designed by Home Plandy, the 36 by 28 layout delivers 1,008 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and an open living, kitchen, and dining area centered around a fireplace. The kitchen has a working island and a pantry, and there's a dedicated laundry and utility room, which, if you've ever lived in a small space, you know matters more than fancy countertops. It's conventional wood framing on a slab foundation, modern gable roof, and a covered front patio. Build cost lands somewhere between $120,000 and $180,000, depending on your region. You get fully dimensioned plans, foundation details, elevations, sections, framing, electrical, plumbing, a material list, and CAD files included free for now.
Plan 5, 36 feet by 30 feet, modern cottage ranch.
Almost the same footprint, slightly different personality. This 36 by 30 cottage ranch from Homeplandia gives you 1,080 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a U-shaped kitchen that's actually large enough to cook in. Each bedroom is 13 feet 9 inches by 10 feet. The primary bath is 8 feet 3 inches by 7 feet 10 inches. And the open living area flows directly into the kitchen. What sells me on this one is the covered porches on both ends. Each one is 26 feet 5 inches by 7 feet 11 inches, which means you've got serious indoor-outdoor living for both morning coffee and evening wind down. It's DIY friendly with crawl space foundation, conventional framing, and energy-efficient wall and roof details. Estimated cost runs $110,000 to $140,000, and you get the full plan set with PDF and CAD files. Plan 6, 40 feet by 30 feet, Onyx Ridge Black Barndominium. This is where things get bold. The Onyx Ridge from Prime Frame Plans is a 40 by 30 modern barndominium with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,098 square feet, and a personality that doesn't apologize for itself. We're talking matte black board and batten exterior, a grand truss system, and a floor-to-ceiling glass facade that turns the great room into something genuinely cinematic. The layout includes a mudroom, an open-to-below loft lounge, and a vaulted great room. It sits on a pier and footing foundation with a modern gable roof. The PDF concept set comes with 14 high-resolution sheets, cover sheet, 3D framing views, ground and loft floor plans, foundation, roof, and loft framing, electrical, exterior elevations, building sections, wall and partition framing, and details and schedules. If you want a small barndo that looks like it costs 3 times what it does, this is the one. Plan 7, 24 feet by 48 feet. Modern cabin. I told you, Plan 7 would be a moment. The TH011 from Tiny House Studio is a 24 by 48 modern farmhouse cabin with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,152 square feet of interior space. But the showstopper here is the 820 square foot full-length covered patio, bringing the total building footprint to nearly 2,000 square feet. Its classic gable roof, conventional wood framing, slab or crawl space foundation, and an estimated build cost around $95,000. The plan set includes over 20 sheets, 3D renderings, detailed floor plans, exterior elevations, foundation, electrical and lighting, plumbing, mechanical, door and window schedules, wall sections, framing plans, a material and cut list, and a CAD file for modifications. It works equally well as a full-time home, a guest house, or a high-performing rental in basically any setting. Plan 8, 45 feet by 31 feet, modern barndominium. Now, we cross into family-sized territory. This 45 by 31 modern barndominium from Homeplandia delivers 1,395 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a height of just under 17 feet. The open concept layout includes spacious bedrooms, a working kitchen, and large covered porches on both ends. The kind of design that works equally well as a primary home, a vacation place, or an Airbnb rental. You get a 22-section plan set, ground floor with load-bearing wall details, sections, slab plan, ceiling and roof outlines, 4 elevations, toilet and kitchen details, rafter, wall, and window details, foundation details, door and window schedule, framing, electrical plan, plumbing plan, and material list. Multiple foundation options, slab, crawl space, or basement, are available on request. CAD files included free for the moment. Plan 9, 28 feet by 44 feet modern cabin with loft. This is the one I'd build for a young family. The 28 by 44 modern cabin from Homeplandia gives you 1,632 square feet across a main floor and a loft, 3 bedrooms total, 2 bathrooms, and a topper height of 21.5 feet. 2 bedrooms sit on the main level with a shared bath. The loft adds a 3rd bedroom, a reading area, and a 2nd bathroom. There's a dedicated foyer and mudroom, small details that pay off every single day. It's wood framed on a slab foundation with a modern gable cabin roof, and an estimated build cost between $195,000 and $285,000, depending on your finish level. The plan set covers fully dimensioned floor plans, foundation, roof, and framing, 4 elevations, sections, schedules, framing details, electrical, plumbing, and a material list. CAD included. Plan 10, 59 feet by 41 feet. The Black Rose. Plan 10 is the upgrade pick. The Black Rose from Prime Frame Plans is a high-end modern Barndominium with 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and roughly 1,840 square feet of single-story living, packed into a 59 by 41 footprint. It's defined by a matte black board and batten exterior, vaulted cathedral ceilings, and a floor-to-ceiling glass facade across the great room. The layout puts the master suite on one side as a private retreat, 2 guest rooms on the other, and a gourmet kitchen opening into the dining and living space. Foundation is slab on grade. The roof is a 12-to-12 modern gable with standing seam metal. The PDF set includes 14 high-resolution sheets, cover sheet, 3D views, ground floor plan, foundation, 2 roof plans, electrical, 2 elevation sheets, 2 section sheets, 2 framing plans, and details and schedules. Defined by its striking black board and batten exterior, massive cathedral ceilings, and a floor-to-ceiling glass facade, this high-end modern Barndominium is designed for those who demand both style and functionality. This isn't just a house, it's a statement. Plan 11, 30 feet by 70 feet, modern Barndominium with 2-car garage. This 30 by 70 modern Barndominium from Home Plan DIY clocks in at around 2,100 square feet, with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an attached 2-car garage. The exterior is modern farmhouse, board and batten siding, metal roof, conventional 2x6 wood framing on a slab, and the interior is built around a vaulted open concept living and kitchen area. The master suite has a walk-in closet and private bathroom. The second bedroom sits near a full bath. There's a dedicated laundry and mudroom, an optional loft for storage or office, and covered porches on the front and side. Plan set includes 23 drawings, ground floor, loft, slab plan, sections, ceiling and roof outlines, 4 elevations, toilet and kitchen details, rafter, wall, window, and foundation details, door and window schedule, framing, electrical, plumbing, and material list. Estimated build cost runs $290,000 to $490,000. Plan 12, 75 feet by 30 feet. Modern Barndominium with 2-car garage. We finish big. This 75 by 30 plan from Home Plan DIY is the largest on the list. About 2,250 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an attached garage, and a wide front porch that gives the whole build that classic American farmhouse silhouette. The layout is 1 floor, slab on grade, modern gable metal roof, with a spacious open concept, living, dining, and kitchen anchored by a working island. The primary bedroom has its own bathroom. The second bedroom is positioned for privacy on the opposite side of the home. Plan set is comprehensive. Fully dimensioned floor plan, foundation, roof, full exterior elevations, building sections, door and window schedule, framing details, electrical and plumbing layouts, construction notes, and a material list. KD files included free. Estimated construction cost lands between $260,000 and $360,000, depending on region and finishes. If you want a forever home that doesn't feel like a McMansion, this is it. So there you have it. 12 small modern Barndominium, cabin, and farmhouse plans, ranging from a 320 square foot tiny home all the way up to a 2,250 square foot family built with a 2-car garage. The thing I want you to walk away with is this. The gap between dreaming about a small build and actually breaking ground is usually just one good plan and one honest conversation with a local engineer. Every plan I covered today comes with the PDFs you need to start that conversation. And most of them throw in CAD files so your engineer can tweak the design to match your local codes. A quick reminder, none of these plans come with an engineering stamp out of the box, and building codes vary wildly between states and counties. So, before you order lumber, get a licensed structural engineer in your area to review and sign off on the plan. That step alone will save you thousands of dollars and a whole lot of grief. If this saved you hours of searching, hit that subscribe button. We cover exactly this kind of stuff regularly. Affordable build plans, real specs, no fluff. You'll find breakdowns on small barndominiums, cabin plans, farmhouse builds, and everything in between right here on this channel. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you then.